everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Christine and today I am going to do my unboxing of my new Apple phone. This is the iPro Max 11 with the 3 lenses and it's the 512 gigabytes. So it looks like this, like that. And I just took the little plastic thing that was on it. And this was purchased at Jump Plus. There are a few stores around here in Ontario. I'm here in Canada. So I think the bigger malls have them, but I'm not sure exactly where all their places are located. But here's the bag. Get an idea, and I'll have a picture linked as well so you get an idea. It looks like an Apple store when you go in there, but it's not as big as an Apple store. So this was just purchased outright, and so when you open it, it looks like this. Looks like that. I got this for Christmas, so it's been a while. I held off using it because I want to do the video for this and I just haven't had the chance to do it. So this is the front of it and it has the little plastic thing on it that you take off, but I'm just not gonna take it off just yet. I have the little, what do you call that, the protector screen for it, and I just don't want it scratched right now. So that's what it looks like. So on the very top, this is what you have. And you have the little thing, pamphlet, where it has the papers and it says designed by Apple in California. Right there. So after you take that off, you'll see the stuff at the bottom of it, and it has the earphones or the earbuds, just like that. The charger right below it, and the little plug. This is bigger than the one I had before, so this is kind of different, I notice, because I have actually I have 2 of the 7 Plus with me right here, so this is what I have. And comparison, okay, so after that, that's it. That's all you get in there. Just comparing it to my iPhone Plus 7. This has the case as well though, the life-proof one in fray. And with that case, it kind of looks, it's a little smaller than that, but it's probably very similar. So I just have it on top of it. I don't know if you can tell where it is right there. And yeah, I'm purchasing the life-proof fray as well. It just hasn't arrived yet because I didn't want the black one since I have this in black, so I was planning on getting the beige color. I don't know what the actual name that they have there, but that's the one I'm getting, and that's what I'm waiting for. But I did get the little screen protector from Amazon, along with, I don't know what else I grabbed. Oh, I think just another one just before the other one comes. I just grabbed a clear one. So now I can use this before the other one comes, and I can finally use this and take the SIM card out of it. Well, I hope that was helpful if you guys are planning on getting the iPhone 11 Pro Max and have an idea how it looks like. I know sometimes when I want to get something and I'm like really excited about it, I just want to watch people unbox it, you know, get a little thrill out of it too. So if you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you'll see future videos that I do. Bye.